Good morning. What I want you to do now is open your Otis, go to your assessments, and find the one that is called Reading Comprehension 1. Open it, and let's read the story together in order to answer the questions. If you do not have Otis, for whatever reason, it's not a problem. You can answer questions on a sheet of paper or even orally. Let's start. Let's read the story together. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Ready? Go. A town mouse met a country mouse in a forest. The country mouse was getting nuts. "Are you getting nuts for food?" asked the town mouse. "Yes," said the country mouse. "I am getting nuts for winter. The woods are full of nuts. It is a fine place to live." "I have a fine place to live too," said the town mouse. "I do not get nuts for winter, but I have all I want to eat. You must come to see me." "Yes, I will," said the country mouse, "but you come to see me first. You can come on Christmas." So the town mouse went to see the country mouse on Christmas. It was a long way, and there was snow on the ground. So when the town mouse got there, he was very hungry. The country mouse had nuts to eat, and she had good water to drink. The country mouse ate a big dinner. But the town mouse said, "I cannot eat this food. It is not good. Now you come to see me and eat some of my food." So the town mouse went home, and the country mouse went with him. It was a long way. They were hungry. The town mouse had bread and cheese and crumbs from the Christmas dinner. The food was very good. The country mouse ate and ate. Then she said to the town mouse, "How rich you must be." Soon a door opened and a woman came in. The town mouse ran to his hole. The woman went out and left the door open. A big, hungry cat came running in. The town mouse ran far into his hole. The country mouse ran after him, but the old cat caught the country mouse for the tail. Then the door shut with a bang. That frightened the cat, and she let go of the mouse. The country mouse jumped far into the hole. "Do you call this a happy home? Do you call this riches?" she said. "I do not want such riches. I only got away with my life. I am happy in my country home. There I have nuts and good water, and I do not have to run for my life. Good day, I'm going home. And the country mouse ran home as fast as she could. Wonderful. So what we're going to do now is to look at the questions that we have. Okay. So let's go back. Let's see. We have two options here. In option number 1, we need to circle the best answer that recounts what happened in the story. Let's read. The country mouse was having a delicious meal with her friends. She invited the town mouse to join them. The town mouse loved the country mouse's food. To repay her, she invited her to his home in the town. The country mouse loved his town house. She decided to stay. Or B. The country mouse met a town mouse in the forest. She invited him to have some nuts and water. She did not like the food. She invited her to come to his town house. The country mouse loved the food, but was almost caught by a cat. She decided to run back home and be safe. So I want you to ponder upon what is the correct answer. And if you have your Otis open, that's where you can answer the questions. Let's move on. Listen to the story, which we did. Recount what happened in the story. Fill in the sentence stems to complete the sentences. In the story, the country mouse was blank in the forest. She offered to share her blank with the town mouse. The town mouse invited her to his home. They ate blank, but the country mouse was almost blank. She ran home. Let's have a look at the answers. In the story, country mouse was gathering nuts or getting food in the forest. She offered to share her nuts and water or food with the town mouse. Town mouse invited her to his home. They ate cheese and bread, but the country mouse was almost caught by a cat or eaten. She ran home. And number 3, listen to the story, which we did. Recount the story in your own words. In order to do this, we need to think about what was at the beginning of the story, what happened in the middle of the story, and what happened at the end of the story. So this is how our summary is going to look. You do not need to talk about all the details that happened in the story, but you need to only mention key details, the most important details, and put them into the exact order, the way they happened in the story. I wish you all the best and talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.